Experiencing Face ID problems on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max? Let's fix it. First, ensure nothing is blocking the TrueDepth camera system. This includes dirt, smudges, or incompatible screen protectors/cases. Gently clean the notch area with a microfiber cloth. If obstructions aren't the issue, try re-enrolling your face. Go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode, enter your passcode, and select Set up Face ID. Scan your face multiple times in good lighting. These steps solve most common Face ID failures reported by users as of late 2025. If cleaning and re-enrollment don't work, software might be the culprit. Make sure your iPhone 17 Pro Max is running the latest iOS version. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install any available updates like the iOS 18.1 patch released in September 2025. If problems persist after updating, consider a DFU restore as a last resort, but be aware this will erase your data. Remember, hardware failures are rare, but if none of these steps work, contact Apple support for diagnostics and potential repair.